But they were saying that you were trying to get off CMG.
Why do they be saying that?
I don't know.
Man, I'm ready to give a nigga a shout out because I don't really, feel me? I think his name is the Game Spitta. This nigga drive like a semi truck. He do his videos like it look like he's in the back of his semi truck taking a break when he, feel me, running his loads back wherever he got to go. He drive for Amazon or something. Bruh, stop saying that. Man, yeah, EST Gee, he's trying to get away from your goddamn CMG and he's unhappy. What are you talking about? Like, I don't know where it be.
Is he from your city? Like,
no, I don't know where this nigga's not from Louisville. Not driving no truck, making a YouTube video. Hell nah, he ain't from Louisville. We would have flat them tires. But